In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check spelling and grammar in PowerPoint step by step. If you're creating presentations for school, work, or client projects, making sure your slides are free from spelling and grammar mistakes is extremely important. Even small errors can make your presentation look unprofessional. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to run a manual spelling check and how to enable automatic spelling and grammar checking as you type. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and load the presentation you want to check. Once your presentation is open, go to the top menu and click on the Review tab. This tab contains all the proofreading and language tools you need. Inside the Review tab, look for the Proofing group. Here, click on Spelling. As soon as you click it, PowerPoint will begin scanning your presentation for spelling errors. If any mistakes are found, the spelling pane will appear on the right-hand side of your screen. PowerPoint will highlight the word it believes is misspelled and provide suggested corrections. If the suggestion is correct, simply click on Change to replace the incorrect word with the suggested one. PowerPoint will then move to the next detected issue. If you believe the word is spelled correctly and you don't want to change it, click Ignore Once. This will skip that specific instance without changing it. If the same word appears again later, PowerPoint will prompt you again unless you choose a different Ignore option. Continue reviewing each suggestion carefully. It's always a good idea to double-check the context before clicking Change, especially with names, technical terms, or industry-specific language. Once PowerPoint has finished scanning the entire presentation, you'll see a message confirming that the spelling check is complete. Click OK to close the dialog box. At this point, your manual spelling review is done. Now let's look at how to enable or disable automatic spelling and grammar checking in PowerPoint. This feature checks your text as you type and underlines potential errors automatically. To adjust these settings, click on the File tab in the top left corner of PowerPoint. This will open the Backstage view. From the menu on the left-hand side, scroll down and click on Options. This opens the PowerPoint Options window where you can customize different settings. In the PowerPoint Options window, click on Proofing from the list on the left. Here, you'll see several spelling and grammar-related options. To enable automatic spelling checks, make sure the box next to Check Spelling as you type is selected. When this is turned on, misspelled words will appear with a red underline as you work on your slides. If you prefer not to see these underlines while editing, you can uncheck this option to disable it. Right below that, you'll find the option called Mark Grammar Errors as you type. If you enable this, PowerPoint will also underline potential grammar mistakes, helping you improve sentence structure and clarity. If you don't want grammar suggestions, simply uncheck this box. After making your preferred changes, click OK to save the settings and return to your presentation. And that's it. You now know how to run a manual spelling check in PowerPoint and how to enable or disable automatic spelling and grammar checking as you type. Keeping your slides error-free helps you look more professional and ensures your message is clear and polished. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.